Good morning, Coach Byerly here, and today we're going to talk about combining like terms. Now, like meaning the same, so we'll get into that here in a second, but first of all, let's define a term. A term in algebra is any number, variable, or a combination of a number and variable that are separated by addition or subtraction signs. So in this example, we have three terms. 5x, y, which is a variable, and our constant of 3. Those are all terms, so in this case we have three terms. If I eliminated this last part right there, now we have two terms. So very simple, how many numbers, variables, or combination of the two that are separated by addition or subtraction signs. Now let's talk about like terms. Like, again, meaning the same. So let's start with apples and bananas. Keep it simple. So A will obviously stand for apples, and let's use B for bananas. So let's say we had 5 apples. Okay. If somebody gave me 2 more apples, we are talking about apples in both cases right here. So if I have 5 apples and someone gives me 2 more apples, I now have 7 apples. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Now, if we change this from 5 apples and somebody gave me 2 bananas, apples and bananas obviously are not the same. Okay, they're not like. In this case, A's and B's are not like terms. So with this example, we cannot combine the apples and the bananas to give a bapple or a anana or whatever that may be. So in this case, that is simplified as far as we can go. So we have 5 apples plus 2 bananas. Okay, nothing to combine. All right, let's talk about, we can still have both apples and bananas in the same problem. So let's say, again, 5 apples plus 2 bananas. Okay, that's what you have. And then somebody gives you 2 more bananas. Let's go 4 bananas. So someone gives you 4 bananas, but they want in exchange 3 apples. So we are going to take away the 3 apples. So let's talk about combining the like terms. In this case, 5 apples, and we are taking away 3 apples. So if I had 5 apples and took away 3, with my second grade math skills right there, 5 minus 3 would be 2 apples remaining. Now bananas, I had 2 bananas, and they gave me 4 more. So in this case, I would have 6 bananas. Hopefully that is easily seen on the video right here. So after I combine my like terms, my 5 apples, and I take away the 3 apples, giving me 2 apples remaining, and then bananas, 2 bananas plus 4 bananas would be 6 bananas. So combining like terms, very simple, and hopefully that example gives us a decent idea. So let's talk about another example. So let me see what we want to do here. Let's go ahead and step it up a little bit. So let's talk about x's. This statement right here, x equals x squared, true or false? Okay, hopefully you're saying that is false, so that means those would not be like terms. And let's just prove this. So let's say x is 3. Okay, so if x is 3, 3 squared would be 9, and obviously 3 does not equal 9. Okay, so anytime we add an exponent with our variable, okay, that changes things. So let's go 2x squared plus 3x minus x. All right, so like terms. I'm looking first of all to see if I have any more x squareds anywhere. And I do not see another x squared. So nothing to combine with my 2x squared. Okay, x's. There's a positive 3x. How many x's do we have here that we're taking away? Okay, if there's no coefficient, no number in front of my variable, that is meaning we have 1. Okay, so we have 3 x's and we are taking away 1x, which would give me 2x. And again, x squared and x are not like terms. That's as far as I can go on combining like terms in that equation. Okay, so simple concept here. And again, there's several other videos in your Khan Academy list. Hopefully this gives you a decent idea to get started.